Most people think weight gain after 60 is just part of aging. But what if your body could actually burn fat while you rest, without pills, powders, or punishing workouts? Welcome to Senior Club, your trusted place for simple, science-backed tips that help seniors stay strong, independent, and full of life. Thousands are already here, taking back control of their health, and you can join them today. Hit subscribe and take your first step toward a better you. Think back years ago, when a full dinner left you satisfied, not stuffed. When you could skip a meal and still feel steady. Now, even a small plate can leave you bloated, restless, or staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m. The good news, your body isn't broken, it's waiting for the right rhythm. And intermittent fasting may be the simplest way to bring back energy, lightness, and control you thought was gone for good. Today, you'll learn exactly how fasting works for seniors, why it melts stubborn belly fat, how it sharpens your mind, and the safest way to start without stress. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's walk through this together, step by step, at your pace, with tips you can start as soon as tonight. This video is for educational purposes only. Everyone's health is unique, so talk with your health coach before making big changes to your diet or routine. To see why fasting works so well, especially after 60, let's first uncover what really happens to your body as the years go by. Have you ever felt like your body is working against you, like no matter how little you eat, the weight still creeps on? What if the problem isn't what you eat, but when you eat? Every decade after 40, your body quietly shifts, muscle slips away, fat creeps in, and even the old diets that once worked seem powerless. Remember when cutting out bread for a week or taking a few extra walks made the scale move? Back then, your body responded quickly. But now, even though your meals haven't changed much, your waistline seems to expand all on its own. Here's why. With age, your metabolism slows, your muscle tissue naturally declines, and insulin, the hormone that manages blood sugar and fat storage, becomes less effective. The result? Your body stores more fat, even when you're eating the same foods. And this isn't just about pants feeling tight. That extra belly fat after 60 isn't harmless. It puts strain on your heart, raises blood pressure, and leaves you feeling more tired climbing stairs or carrying groceries. But here's the hopeful truth. You are not stuck. By shifting not just what you eat, but when you eat, you can reset your body's rhythm, lighten digestion, and begin burning fat again, even while you rest. So how does intermittent fasting flip that hidden switch, turning stored fat into steady energy, day and night? Let's uncover that next. Have you ever felt like your body changed the rules without telling you? No matter how carefully you eat, the weight still creeps on. Does that feel unfair, or just exhausting to fight? Intermittent fasting isn't starving yourself. It's simply giving your body a schedule, at times when it eats, and times when it rests. Think of your kitchen. If it stayed open 24 hours a day, it would get messy, greasy, and worn out. But when it closes at night, it resets, gets cleaned, and is ready for the next day. Your body works the same way. When you eat from morning till night, your liver, pancreas, and digestive system never get a break. Insulin stays high, locking fat inside your belly. But when you pause eating for 14 to 16 hours, insulin finally drops, your body starts repairing cells, and fat is released for steady energy. That's when you notice mornings feel lighter instead of heavy. And here's the best part. You don't have to give up your favorite foods. You can still enjoy dinner with family, sip your evening tea, and savor the meals you love. You're just choosing when to eat them. This isn't extreme, it's not dangerous, and it's been practiced for centuries, from spiritual traditions to modern medicine. It's one of the simplest, most natural resets you can give your body. So what actually happens inside your body when you fast? The answer explains why fasting is called nature's fat-burning switch. Have you ever skipped breakfast and noticed you actually felt clearer, lighter, even more awake? What do you think your body was trying to tell you in those moments? Your body really only has two modes, storing fat or burning it. After 60, most people get stuck in storage mode. Meals come in, insulin rises, fat locks in place, and the belly grows, even if you're not eating more than before. But when you fast, insulin finally falls. That drop is the signal your body has been waiting for. Suddenly, instead of storing, your body opens its fat banks and uses them for fuel. And something else amazing happens, your cells begin to clean house. Old, damaged parts get recycled and replaced. It's like your body's spring cleaning, repairing itself from the inside out. This is why seniors who fast often notice more than a shrinking waistline. They wake up lighter, think more clearly, walk with steadier steps, and even see their skin begin to glow. And here's the truth, it's never too late. Your body can still repair, still renew, and still surprise you. So the science is simple. Fasting lowers insulin, burns fat, and repairs cells. But how do you actually start without feeling hungry all day? That's where the real secret begins. If you gave your body just 1 week to flip that switch, would you be curious to see how your energy, waistline, and confidence begin to change? Most seniors don't struggle with fasting because of hunger. They struggle with fear. Won't I get weak? What if I need to take my medication with food? Isn't fasting risky at my age? Or maybe even, what if I just can't do it? These are real worries. And here's the truth. When done gently, and with your health coach's guidance, intermittent fasting is not only safe, it's one of the most natural ways to help your body reset. Your ancestors fasted every single night, sometimes even longer when food wasn't around. Your body is designed for it. The secret is tailoring it to your age, your health, and your daily rhythm. Instead of weakness, many seniors discover strength. Instead of fog, they find clarity. Instead of strain, they find freedom, and the confidence of knowing they're in control again. So if fears have been holding you back, let's clear the path together. In the next step, I'll show you exactly how to start fasting gently, in a way that works with your lifestyle, not against it. Would you be open to giving fasting a try if it actually gave you more energy instead of less, and helped you feel more in control of your health again? Fasting doesn't have to start with 16 hours. Your first step is as simple as closing the kitchen after dinner. If you eat dinner at 7 p.m., your only goal is to wait until 7 a.m. for breakfast. That's it, a 12-hour fast. And the truth is, most seniors are already close to this rhythm without even realizing it. Think about it, you've probably said, I don't snack much at night anyway. That one small habit is already protecting your liver, your blood sugar, and your heart more than you know. Instead of waking up heavy or groggy, your body spends the night repairing itself, burning old fuel, sweeping out waste, and restoring balance. You wake with lighter steps, clearer eyes, and a steadier mood. And here's the best part, if you can do this, you've already started fasting like a pro. And once this feels easy, we'll take the next gentle step, stretching from 12 hours to 14, then eventually to 16, where the real fat burning and healing begins. Do you think you could give your body a simple 12-hour rest tonight, just by closing the kitchen after dinner? Once 12 hours feels natural, your next gentle step is stretching to 14. If you finish dinner at 7 p.m., just wait until 9 a.m. for your first meal. Those 2 extra hours are where the magic begins. Insulin finally drops low enough for your body to unlock stored fat for fuel. Instead of waking stiff or sluggish, this is often when seniors notice the shift: lighter mornings, calmer digestion, steadier energy that carries you through the day. Picture yourself pouring tea at sunrise, your joints less stiff, your belly calmer, your steps lighter. These small victories are your body's way of thanking you for the gift of extra rest. And if you can reach 14 hours, you're already doing more for your health than most people your age, without dieting, without pills, without struggle. And once 14 hours feels like second nature, you'll be ready for the real breakthrough, the 16-hour fast, where deep fat burning and powerful cell repair truly take off. Would you be willing to wait just 2 extra hours before breakfast, if it meant to big rewards, lighter mornings, and more energy all day long? Here's the real breakthrough, the 16-to-8 rhythm, where your body finally spends enough time in fat-burning mode to create changes you can feel and see. You simply enjoy all your meals between 10 in the morning and 6 in the evening. For the other 16 hours, your body rests, insulin drops, fat is released for fuel, and your cells repair themselves. Instead of waking up groggy and bloated, many seniors notice lighter mornings, steadier energy, and easier movement, not after months, but often within weeks. Picture yourself enjoying a hearty late morning meal, moving through your day without crashes, and closing the kitchen at night without those nagging cravings. Soon, your waistline feels looser, your steps grow lighter, and even your reflection in the mirror starts to change. If you've made it here, you've already reached the sweet spot where real results begin. This is the point most people never reach, but you did. And once you found your 16 to 8 groove, the next question is simple. What food should you fill those 8 hours with to maximize the healing and fat burning? That's where the real transformation takes off. Which would feel easier for you, skipping breakfast and starting late, or closing the kitchen earlier and saying goodbye to late night snacks? Fasting won't save you if you break it with donuts. The real power comes from what you choose to put on your plate. Think simple: protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Salmon or beans rebuild strength, leafy greens sweep your liver clean, and olive oil or walnuts keep your blood sugar steady. These foods tell your body to keep burning fat while protecting your energy. But when you end your fast with pastries, sodas, or white bread, insulin shoots back up. Your body slips into storage mode, progress slows, and instead of feeling light, you end up sluggish. Now picture the difference. You break your fast with a plate of warm salmon, crisp greens, juicy berries, and a sprinkle of seeds. The aroma is inviting, the crunch is fresh, and within minutes your body rewards you with steady energy. You feel satisfied, not stuffed. Strong, not sleepy. If you've made it this far, you've already proven fasting works for you. And now, every bite becomes a choice, not about restriction, but about freedom to enjoy the foods that heal instead of harm. And once you know what to eat, the real challenge is consistency. How do you keep fasting simple and natural without ever feeling deprived? That's where fasting stops being a rule and becomes a lifestyle. What feels more satisfying to you, breaking your fast with a hearty, savory plate like salmon and greens, or something light and sweet like fruit with yogurt? Here's the secret: most hunger pangs aren't hunger at all. They're thirst, your body's quiet way of asking for water. During fasting hours, the simplest helpers are the most powerful: water, black coffee, or unsweetened herbal teas. Hydration doesn't just keep you calm and focused, it also helps your body release fat more smoothly, because your cells need water to burn energy. And if the fast ever feels too heavy, you're not failing, it's just your body adjusting. A light, salty sip of broth can comfort your stomach, restore minerals, and still protect the healing rhythm of your fast. Picture this: morning hunger stirs. You pour a cup of green tea. The warmth soothes you, and the craving fades. You realize you're lighter, calmer, even proud, because you stayed in control, not the craving. Fasting doesn't mean going without, it means choosing helpers that heal instead of harm. With these, fasting feels steady, peaceful, and even enjoyable. And once you've mastered hydration, the next step is even bigger: learning how to handle cravings and social meals without ever feeling deprived. When a craving hits, what's your comfort? A cool glass of water, a warm herbal tea, or that first sip of coffee in the morning? Fasting isn't just about losing weight, it's about giving your body the break it needs to heal itself from the inside out. Every pause between meals lowers your blood sugar, calms hidden inflammation, and gives your cells time to repair. It's like letting a machine cool so it can run longer and stronger. That's why so many seniors notice steadier energy, sharper memory, and even less joint pain. Picture this: sitting with your grandchild and remembering every detail of their story. Waking up without the stiffness that used to greet you every morning. Or walking into your garden, bending with ease to tend your favorite flowers. That's healing, not dieting. Your body isn't breaking down, it's waiting for the chance to repair. And intermittent fasting hands it the time it's been asking for all along. And once you start to feel these changes, more energy, less pain, clearer days, fasting stops being a discipline and becomes something you look forward to. But what does it look like when fasting feels effortless? Which of these gifts would mean the most to you: steady energy, sharper memory, or less pain in your joints? Fasting works beautifully when done right, but just a few simple mistakes can quietly erase all your progress. First, overeating. Stacking plates or sneaking cake at night turns fasting into storing, not burning. Second, skipping protein. Without it, your body burns muscle instead of fat, making everyday strength, climbing stairs, opening jars, even harder to hold on to. Third, poor sleep. When your nights are restless, your mornings feel heavy, and your body can't repair no matter how well you fast. Think of it like tending a garden. Fasting clears the weeds, but you still need to plant the right seeds, protein and rest, or nothing strong grows. With balance, your body finally thrives. The good news, every one of these mistakes is easy to fix. And when you do, fasting becomes smoother, safer, and far more rewarding. And once you sidestep these pitfalls, you'll unlock the deeper benefits most people never reach: lighter mornings, steadier steps, and a body that works with you, not against you. Which of these feels like your biggest challenge? Stopping late night snacking, getting enough protein, or protecting your sleep? Yesterday, slipping into those jeans felt impossible. Today, they close with ease. You wake up lighter, clearer, and steadier on your feet, a body that feels like it's finally on your side again. Your mornings are brighter, the waistband is looser, your steps quicker, the air in your lungs fresher. Food doesn't weigh you down, it fuels you. Each smile feels freer, each breath calmer, each moment richer. This isn't about turning back the clock, it's about giving your body the rhythm it craves to heal itself. Intermittent fasting doesn't erase years, but it helps your body act younger in strength, focus, and energy. And the best part, you're not alone in this. Seniors everywhere are discovering it's never too late. Your body isn't too old, too slow, or too late. It's waiting for the chance to heal, and the time is now. If tomorrow could bring you just one gift, lighter steps, clearer focus, or steady energy, which would bring you the most joy back into your days, you don't need strict diets, expensive powders, or endless pills. What your body needs is space. By simply timing your meals, you reset your rhythm, giving your body the chance to burn fat, heal, and restore energy. Start small to 12 hours, then 14, then the 16 to 8 rhythm. Each step builds strength. Each day frees your body a little more. And soon, you realize, this isn't restriction, it's freedom. Your health isn't slipping away, it's waiting. Waiting for you to reclaim it, one meal, one morning, one choice at a time. Could you give your body just 14 days of this simple routine, so you can feel lighter, clearer, and stronger, and enjoy more mornings with the people you love? Every hour you give your body to rest is a gift. Every choice to pause, to nourish, to wait, it's not deprivation. It's renewal. And the truth is, your body has been waiting for this gift all along. Stay strong, stay healthy. Hit subscribe and join us here at Senior Club, a place where you'll never walk this journey alone. Your next step to better health is just one click away. Because your best years aren't behind you, they're waiting. Waiting in lighter mornings, steadier steps, and brighter memories, ready to be lived with energy, clarity, and joy.